You're welcome to Learn with Grace 101. Now, if you have been having difficulty in learning how to spell and also pronunciation, by the end of this video, you'll find out that the problem is gone, right? Especially in the spelling of 3-letter words and 4-letter words, right? So in today's video, we're going to discuss short vowels and long vowels. Right, so what are short vowels and what are long vowels? Now let's start with the short vowels. The short vowels are the alphabet sound of A, E, I, O, U, right? While the long vowel are the natural sound of A, E, I, O, U. Let me recap. I said that the short vowel are the alphabet sound of A, E, I, O, U, and most of the time they only have one vowel in the word, whereas that the long vowel are the natural sound of A, E, I, O, U, and most of the time they have two vowels in the word, right? Two vowels contained in a word, right? So what do I mean? Short vowels are A, which sounds ah. Some will say ah, ah, ah. Either way, ah for A, E, eh, 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 eh. I, E, O, and U, Good job. Now the long vowel sound, which are the natural sound, are A. That's just the natural sound. A. Just pronounce it the way you read the alphabet. A for A. E for E. I for I. O for O. And U for U. For example, let's see some example with words containing the short vowels and the long vowels. For example, the word rag. You can hear the ah sound, and this is the ah in rag is a short vowel, right? Ah. Remember, I said it is the alphabet sound. Ah. Now let's see the word rage. Now you see for the rag, it contains just one A. Now for the rage, age, you can hear the A sound, right? The natural sound A. That's the long vowel, rage, and it has two vowels. The word rage has two vowels, rage. Can you see? Let's do more example. For the word let, is the alphabet sound of E, right? Right? Let. Good job. Let. So the E is a short sound. It's a short vowel sound. Why? For the word lead. You can hear the sound of E. Lead. D. Of course, it is a long vowel sound, and you can see in the word lead, it has two vowels. Good job. Now we move to, I'm taking it serially so that it won't confuse you. A, E, the next one is I, right? So let's look at the word, the 3-letter word, beat. Beat. Right? You can hear the alphabet sound of I, E, right? Because I sound E, right? Beat. Now for the 4-letter word, the long vowel, bite. I. You can hear the word. You can hear the sound I, right? Bite. And of course, bite has two vowels. So the I here is a long vowel, right? So let's proceed to the next vowel, which is O. Let's look at the word pop. Up. Of course, sounds O sounds right? So good job. So the O here is a short vowel because it is the alphabet sound. O sounds Now let's look at the long vowel sound pope. Pope. O, right? A-E-I-O. You can hear the sound O in pope. So O is a long vowel. The O in pope is a long vowel sound. I hope you understand. And finally, let's look at the next vowel, U. U sounds Look at this word, top, right? You can hear the alphabet sound, top. But in this, and of course, it has just one vowel, U. Now, for this one, tube. You can see that you can actually hear the sound of U in tube, of course, and it has two vowels, while the first one has the the natural sound of the vowel, and the next one is silent. So so you can see in the word the U in up is a short vowel, right? While the U in tube is a long vowel, right? So I'll recap that the short vowel has the alphabet sound of A-E-I-O-U, whereas the long vowel has the natural sound. Alright, and with this we come to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.